And I came into this course with no real AI experience or background. So, it's hard to, everything has been really a learning opportunity. I am Arinze Nkwoji, based out of Las Vegas. I have obtained my master's degree, Boston University graduate, computer science. I've been in IT since 30 years and currently the Chief Automation Digital Transformation Officer over at Visio Consulting LLC, which is a government-based consulting company, currently working with the US government. Well, being in IT, it's important to stay skilled up, so to speak, which is basically maintaining your skill set and understanding of new technologies as they come out. So, with AI and ChatGPT coming out, it became essential that it was part of a skill that I needed to include my skill sets, that so to speak. So for career and also for knowledge. Obviously, the course is not finished yet, but so far it is touching on the topics that I would have wanted to understand, which is obviously the foundational understanding of AI as a whole. It's going to the detailed, and the courses have been relevant in terms of the practicality that has been required in some of these projects that we've done. I feel a lot more confident in my understanding of behind the scenes workings of AI and modeler building and how all that stuff works. And I came into this course with no real AI experience or background. So, it's hard to, everything has been really a learning opportunity and practical for me. Join it. Absolutely join it. I think no matter what level that you're going to come into, the breadth and depth of the program will interest you, and you'll definitely get something out of it.